It's 6 o'clock in the morning, and 6 months ago I was doing an average of £1,500 a day. That reduced over the last 6 months to about £200 a day. So we made 5 people redundant. The business was dropping massively on eBay. I had no idea what was going on. I thought it was GPSR. Working on other businesses, after the redundancies occurred, 5 people losing their job, I had to get my life into gear and get back to the business. Now, today and this morning, why am I up so early? Well, I have now 300 parcels over the weekend with a sale value of £7,000. Now, what did I do? This is probably the most successful time I've ever seen with eBay. So let's tell you the story. The drop was sudden. We went from steady £1,500 a day sales to rock bottom, barely scraping 200 quid a day. Something was wrong, and it wasn't just us. No visibility, no traffic. We weren't doing anything wrong. We were simply left in the dark. And I'm not in business for 34 years of my life to not know that you have to sometimes go through hard times. But this was different. We weren't being told what the hard times were. From November of 2024, GPSR, we thought, was the problem. Turned out it wasn't. eBay had changed the rules, and we had no idea. I didn't sleep at night. I kept on looking at the numbers, the data. It made no sense. What am I going to do? How am I going to make this work? And the only answer was redundancies. And this was eBay. Workstations are now laid bare. This is due to eBay's inability to communicate to us of what they've changed. It took me and my 34 years of experience and my 22 years of experience with eBay to know that when things go wrong, eBay don't tell us. So once I found the problem, well, it was up to me to find the solution. And that was the greed of eBay. I needed to pay to play. I needed to feed the greed. And what has happened is they've rewarded me for understanding these metrics. My sales have never been better. And I'm going to show you what I've done. eBay have been continually harping in a very silent way of saying, why don't you try ad fees? Why don't you try ad fees? Every corner we turned, why don't you try ad fees? I didn't realize that was the problem. But it turned out that organic sales are no longer present. If you really want to have a constant business that pays for staff and runs as a proper business with sales on a daily occasion, you're going to have to pay for advertising and pay handsomely. My campaign has changed from organic and 2% on-site fees to 9 to 12% on-site fees, anchors, and now off-site fees of £10 a day. What has it given me? And I will show you. This is just after 2 days. There is the real 260 sales so far. In the last, it's been 2 weeks, not 31 days, but the last 2 weeks, we have made £20,000. And I have 260 labels on this anchor just alone. The other anchor has just started, so we don't have as many orders from there. Look at the graphs. It has continually rose and rose. Yesterday's sales with this store alone was 1,416 quid. My advertising revenue, as you can see, it has grown phenomenally. If I try and focus in, I don't know if you can see that. But we are a top rated seller. There is a late delivery rate coming in now. We'll have to dispute that. But the traffic is up to 50 million of traffic based on 9 to 12% fees. There is our performance. So our sales from the recent advertising is £14,700. I've sold 895 items and it's up 388%, whereas my ad fees are also up. Oh, they're up to £1,351. This, my friends, is what is happening with eBay. I'm about to print off 260 labels for Monday morning. It is very, very early in the morning, and I have to make sure that I'm ready for the staff to come in. We only have 3 staff left, which is extremely sad because we started up when we were working last year, in November last year, we had 8, but it's at the minute, it's me. I'm pushing this 18-hour days, and I am working every single customer. What I have to do is I have to sell, and sell. It's not all about the profit anymore. It's about the turnover. I have been working 18-hour days for the last 16 days. I'm exhausted. I've had very little breaks. I'm not allowed excuses, and I've dealt with every single sale. That includes every offer. You have to work your customers at the minute, and eBay has changed the system to force myself and work above and beyond in order to make that sale. I've never seen it where I've had to do so much for so little, but I've done it, and I've made £7,000 over this weekend. I simply stared at the numbers. £200 a day. I'm employing staff that would never pay them. This wasn't just a dip. This was a collapse. You don't last 34 years in business without going through hard times, but this felt different, like the lights were simply going out on eBay. I thought it was eBay that was causing the trouble. Turns out they were. People always think that millionaires sit back and simply relax when things like this happen. Not me, not now, not when my business needs to fight to survive. The remaining staff that are employed by me and myself had our backs against the wall. This was something we had to do to change. We had to redevelop our business. And as one member of staff who still stays with me today stated, it's like running a new business from today. And it is. It's high volume, low profit. eBay make the same amount of money or more than us now, but we have to work harder in order to maintain the business. All right, guys, so we are coming to the end of our day. It's 3:45 already. Crazy, crazy time. That has moved very quickly. Richard's still annoyingly giving me more bloody stock. And I'm getting to a point where I'm really frustrated now. I just want to kill Richard for making all these sales. It was me. But the score is we're running out of packaging. I've never seen, this has been the biggest. So if you want to scan around, Dean, and just take a look at what 350 packages are like, that is what 350 packages will get you. Well, that's actually more now. I'm sure that's sitting at 7,000 quid because we took a bit more stuff for today. We printed a bit more for today, and it's momentous. This is a momentous amount of stock. I have never seen so much stock going out in one day. I'm extremely grateful for the whole thing. And I don't know, we deserve it. We deserve it. Both my staff and myself, we deserve this nonsense. And I'm sort of glad that I caught on to eBay's hidden messages about how to grow your business again. Now, if it was me and I was in charge of eBay, I would have said, please communicate to the sellers. Don't tell them or don't expect them to guess how to make money. Show them. And again, if they told me sooner and communicated me sooner, I would have been able to make a good commercial decision and say, right, I'm going to advertise with them. And due to this, and due to that, we would have had a lot more sales a lot sooner, and I wouldn't have had to make so many of my staff redundant. So thank you, eBay, for allowing us to commercialize our business, but no thank you for taking 6 months to tell us to do this. You killed my business to a point where it's just going to take me to do this for the next 6 months to recover and make my money back for the losses that we've occurred over the last 6 months. But I want you to understand I am 6'4". They call me Big Al for a reason. And that is a lot of stock. There it is. I'm going to sit and proudly... Did I pack that all myself? Did I pack it all myself, Dean?
Most of it.
Is it done? No more?
That's it.
I don't think there's a... Is there more? There's bloody more. What? For crying out loud.
That'll do, you know.
That'll do me. Oh, thanks, mate. Right, we'll get that one done, and that's me. Because I got to do a video tonight. So I've got to spend now hours editing this sheer amount of work that I've done. So I'm going to pack these first. This is where you see me packing. And then go, oh, why is Alan doing it himself? Because when my back's against the wall, I'm the first one there. I don't care what anyone says. If your business ain't doing well, okay. Did you catch that? No. You didn't, did you? When your back's against the wall, to me, a good leader is a person who leads from the front. And I hope that my staff and all the people that are watching me have seen that I do lead from the front. I'm not too proud. That was Darren, yeah? Darren from Beckles. Any more? Is that it? There it is, guys. That's what 7 grand looks like. Or 6.5 to 7 grand. Don't know exactly what it is now, but that is a phenomenal amount of sales. And we did it as a team very, very quickly. Very quickly indeed. You proud of that, Richard?
Yes.
You happy with that? So thanks, guys. Dean, I appreciate you holding the camera. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and click the alert button. And if you guys want help on how to run your eBay business, give me a shout.